so hard to please, but she's a forest fire. I do my best to meet her demands. We in romance, we slow dance in the living room, but all that a stranger would see is one girl swaying alone, stroking her cheek. If they see you're a little much for me, your liability, you're a little much for me. So they pull back, make other plans. I understand I'm a liability. Get you out, I'll make you leave. I'm a little much for it, and I'm not everyone. The truth is, I am a toy that people enjoy till all of the tricks don't work anymore. And then they all hold off me. I know that it's exciting running through the night, but every perfect time is eating me alive until you're gone. Better on my own. And they say you're a little much for me, you're a liability, you're a little much for me. Hey, so they pull back, make other plans. I understand I'm a liability. Get you out, I'll make you leave. I'm a little much for it, and I'm not everyone. They're gonna watch me disappear into the sun. You're all gonna watch me disappear into the sun.
Thank you, Lisa. And наш следующий участник.